Have you ever found yourself struggling with constipation more often as you age? It's one of those frustrating issues that many people over 60 experience, yet no one really talks about. But here's the truth. Constipation isn't just a part of getting older. It's a sign that your digestive system needs the right support. And the good news, the solution isn't complicated. In fact, 99% of constipation can vanish when you start eating the right foods. In this video on Wise Living, we're going to explore 5 specific foods that can get things moving naturally. These aren't just any foods. They are powerful, fiber-rich, gut-friendly options that can help you stay regular without relying on harsh laxatives or uncomfortable remedies. By the time we're done, you'll have a simple, effective way to improve digestion, reduce bloating, and feel better overall. Stay tuned until the end, because you might just discover that the key to better digestion isn't found in a bottle of pills. It's already in your kitchen. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Prunes, nature's most powerful remedy. Prunes have been called nature's laxative for a reason. These small, wrinkled fruits might not look like much, but they are one of the most effective and natural ways to relieve constipation. Packed with fiber and a special compound called sorbitol, prunes work by drawing water into the intestines, softening stool, and making digestion easier. If you've ever struggled with irregularity, adding prunes to your diet could be the simple, natural solution you've been looking for. Many people avoid prunes because they associate them with being an old-fashioned food, but here's the reality: they work. And not only do they work, but they also provide a gentle, natural way to get your digestive system moving without the discomfort that can come from over-the-counter laxatives. Unlike medications that can cause cramping or dependency, prunes help your body regulate itself, making them one of the best long-term solutions for constipation. Take Henry, for example. He's 72 and had been dealing with chronic constipation for years. At first, he tried fiber supplements. Then he moved on to laxatives, but nothing seemed to give him lasting relief. That is, until his doctor recommended prunes. Skeptical at first, Henry started eating just a few each day. Within a week, he noticed a difference. His digestion felt smoother. He wasn't dealing with the discomfort of bloating. And best of all, he wasn't relying on medication anymore. That's the beauty of prunes. Just a few per day can make all the difference. You can eat them as they are, add them to oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or even chop them up and mix them into a salad. However you choose to eat them, the benefits remain the same: better digestion, fewer stomach issues, and more regularity. If you've been struggling with constipation and haven't tried prunes yet, ask yourself, what do I have to lose? They're natural, effective, and easy to incorporate into any diet. Give them a try, and you might be surprised at how quickly your digestive health improves. Number 2. Chia seed, the tiny powerhouse for digestion. Chia seeds might be small, but they pack a massive punch when it comes to digestive health. These tiny seeds are loaded with fiber, specifically a type of soluble fiber that turns into a gel-like substance when mixed with liquid. This unique property helps soften stool, making it easier to pass and relieving constipation naturally. If you've been struggling with sluggish digestion, chia seeds could be the simple, natural solution you've been overlooking. One of the reasons chia seeds are so effective is because of their ability to absorb water. When you consume them, they expand in your stomach, creating bulk that helps move waste through your digestive tract. Unlike fiber supplements that can be harsh on the stomach, chia seeds work gently, helping your body regulate itself without discomfort. They don't just get things moving, they also keep you feeling full, making them a great addition to any meal. Take Margaret, for example. She's 69 and had been dealing with constipation on and off for years. She tried different fiber supplements, but they either didn't work well or caused bloating. Then a friend recommended chia seeds. Skeptical but willing to try, Margaret started adding a spoonful of chia seeds to her morning yogurt. Within days, she noticed a difference. Her digestion felt smoother, she was more regular, and she no longer felt weighed down by bloating. That's the beauty of chia seeds. They're easy to incorporate into your diet, and they work fast. You can sprinkle them on oatmeal, mix them into smoothies, stir them into water, or even make a simple chia pudding. The key is to let them soak in liquid before eating them. This allows them to expand and do their job effectively. If you've been looking for a simple, natural way to improve digestion, chia seeds might be exactly what you need. They're small, tasteless, and easy to use, but their benefits are anything but small. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed to Wise Living yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Now let's move forward. Number 3, oatmeal. The gentle fiber that keeps you regular. Oatmeal is one of the best foods you can eat for digestion, and if you're over 60, it should be a staple in your diet. Unlike harsh fiber supplements or laxatives, oatmeal provides a natural, gentle way to keep your digestive system moving smoothly. It's packed with soluble fiber, which absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in your intestines, softening stool and making it easier to pass. If constipation has been a frequent issue for you, adding a simple bowl of oatmeal to your daily routine might be all it takes to feel better. One of the reasons oatmeal works so well is because of a specific type of fiber called beta-glucan. This special fiber doesn't just help with digestion, it also supports heart health, regulates blood sugar, and keeps you feeling full longer. And unlike some high-fiber foods that can cause bloating or discomfort, oatmeal is gentle on the stomach, making it an ideal choice for seniors looking to improve their gut health naturally. Take Joe, for example. He's 74 and had been struggling with constipation for years. He tried various remedies, some worked, but most left him feeling bloated or uncomfortable. Then his doctor suggested something simple: eat oatmeal every morning. At first, Joe wasn't sure if something as basic as oatmeal could make a difference, but after a week of having a warm bowl for breakfast, he noticed a major change. His digestion felt smoother, he was more regular, and he no longer felt sluggish throughout the day. That's the power of oatmeal. Simple, natural, and incredibly effective. And the best part, it's versatile. You can make it sweet with fruit and honey, or go savory by adding nuts and seeds. You can prepare it traditionally on the stove, microwave it for a quick meal, or even soak it overnight for an easy no-cook breakfast. However you choose to eat it, the benefits remain the same. Better digestion, more regularity, and a healthier gut overall. If you've been searching for a natural way to relieve constipation, oatmeal might be the easiest solution yet. It's a comforting, satisfying meal that supports your digestive system without any effort at all. Number 4, sweet potatoes. The delicious way to stay regular. Sweet potatoes aren't just a delicious comfort food, they're one of the best natural remedies for constipation. Packed with fiber, water, and essential nutrients, they work to keep your digestive system running smoothly without the need for harsh laxatives or medication. If you're looking for a simple, tasty way to improve digestion, sweet potatoes might be the perfect solution. What makes sweet potatoes so effective? It all comes down to their high fiber content, especially insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to stool and helps move waste through your intestine. Unlike some fiber-rich foods that can be rough on the stomach, sweet potatoes provide a gentle, soothing effect, making them ideal for seniors who want a natural way to support gut health. Plus, they're loaded with water, which helps keep everything hydrated and moving properly. Take Eleanor, for example. She's 71 and had been dealing with constipation for years. She tried drinking more water, taking fiber supplements, and even using over-the-counter laxatives, but nothing gave her lasting relief. Then she read about the benefits of sweet potatoes and decided to give them a try. She started adding a serving to her meals a few times a week, sometimes baked, sometimes mashed, sometimes roasted. Within days, she noticed a difference. Her digestion felt smoother, she was more regular, and she no longer felt that uncomfortable bloating she had dealt with for years. That's the power of sweet potato. They don't just help with digestion, they also provide a steady source of energy, essential vitamins and antioxidants that support overall health. And the best part, they're incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. You can bake them, roast them, mash them, or even blend them into soup. They're naturally sweet, making them a delicious addition to any meal. If you've been struggling with constipation and haven't tried sweet potatoes yet, now is the time. They're tasty, nutritious, and one of the simplest ways to keep your digestive system on track. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 4 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed to Wise Living yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any video. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now let's move forward. Number 5. Kefir, the gut-friendly drink that restores digestion. If you're looking for a natural, effortless way to improve digestion and relieve constipation, kefir might be the answer. This fermented dairy drink is packed with probiotics, healthy bacteria that help balance your gut and keep things moving smoothly. Unlike fiber supplements that can take time to work, kefir starts improving digestion almost immediately, making it one of the best foods to add to your routine. What makes kefir so effective? It's all about the probiotics. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and when they're out of balance, digestion slows down. Constipation, bloating, and discomfort become common. But kefir introduces beneficial bacteria that restore balance, break down food more efficiently, and help waste move through your system. The result? More regular bowel movements, less bloating, and better overall gut health. Take Walter, for example. He's 75 and had been struggling with constipation for years. No matter what he ate, he always felt sluggish and uncomfortable. He tried increasing fiber, drinking more water, and even using laxatives occasionally, but nothing gave him lasting relief. Then his doctor suggested adding kefir to his diet. Skeptical, but willing to try, Walter started drinking a small glass every morning. Within a week, his digestion had completely changed. He was more regular, his stomach felt lighter, and for the first time in years, he wasn't constantly thinking about his digestion. That's what makes kefir so special. It works from the inside out. It doesn't just treat constipation in the short term. It helps rebuild gut health so that digestion stays smooth and effortless over time. And the best part, it's easy to add to your diet. You can drink it straight, blend it into a smoothie, or pour it over cereal or fruit. If you've been dealing with digestive issues and haven't given kefir a try, this might be the missing piece. It's simple, natural, and incredibly effective at restoring balance to your gut. Final thoughts. As we wrap up this video, take a moment to reflect on the 5 powerful foods we've discussed. Constipation after 60 doesn't have to be something you just accept. It's something you can take control of. The key isn't relying on quick fixes or over-the-counter solutions. It's about giving your body the right tools to work naturally. And these 5 foods do exactly that. What stood out to you the most? Which of these foods have you already tried? And which ones do you plan to add to your diet? Maybe you've been eating oatmeal but never realized how much it supports digestion. Maybe you've been skeptical about kefir, but now see how beneficial it can be. Or maybe this video gave you the push you needed to finally start adding more fiber-rich, gut-friendly foods to your meal. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us today on Wise Living. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts truly matter to us, and every comment inspires us to keep going. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Together, we can build a healthier, stronger, and happier life. So if this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who might benefit too. And before you go, don't stop here. We've prepared more helpful videos and playlists right on your screen. Click one now to continue your journey with us. Thanks again for watching, and from all of us at Wise Living, take care of yourself, stay positive, and we'll see you in the next video.